When it comes to the physical health needs of our students, Ohio Dominican University has you covered. In fact, ODU is proud to partner with Central Ohio Primary Care to offer our students a wide variety of health services free of charge. COPC operates its Care Forward Center in Peace Hall, which is just a short walk across campus. Not up for walking? No worries. Our public safety office is happy to give you a lift. But one of the main questions that we get from our students is, how do I make an appointment at the Care Forward Center? It couldn't be easier. In fact, it only takes about a minute. First, visit ohiodominican.edu/COPC and find the button, click here to schedule. Click on it. That will take you to a special COPC registration page with available appointment slots that are just for ODU students. Simply find a time and a date that fit your schedule. Then complete a brief form that will appear with your name, birthday, etc. Then click to continue. On this screen, share a reason for your appointment, such as a cold or any other information they should know. Click Continue. On the payment screen, you should click Buy Cash, Not Applicable. By completing this form, COPC knows that you're an ODU student, so it's highly likely that the services you need will be free of charge. Once you verify your phone number, click Book, and you're all set. Of course, if you have any trouble booking an appointment, you can always call the Care Forward Center by calling the number below. If you'd like to view a complete list of services offered to our students, you can click on ohiodominican.edu/COPC for more information. Thank you.